Okay, today I'm doing a review of this Mopar factory air filter. You can see here it's kind of your standard air filter, although it's a nice big thick air filter. The part number is Mopar 53034051AB, and the thing that's important about this is on your 2021 and 2022 Ram Cummins turbo diesel truck, put a Ram factory air filter in it. As a warning, I had troubles with a P0299 airflow sensor code, and I had to take it in and get it tested. They upgraded the firmware on the truck, and then they told me the aftermarket filter I had on there was causing the problem. So I know that doesn't sound reasonable for most all cars everywhere forever, but this has got a maximum airflow rating of 7756, which I guess is a lot, and so definitely highly recommend go with the Mopar factory filter if you've had trouble with your truck or you want to avoid error codes for airflow. So once again, great filter, I would recommend it.